Frustrated by the Multimedia Class Scheduler Service DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To begin our Multimedia Class Scheduler Service troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Multimedia Class Scheduler Service. The Multimedia Class Scheduler Service, MMCSS Library, ensures that time-sensitive multimedia tasks, like high-fidelity audio playback, get priority CPU access. It prevents audio stuttering when the system is under load. If missing or disabled, users will experience audio pops or video lag while multitasking, as the system can no longer prioritize media threads. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. MMCS is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Multimedia Class Scheduler Service file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Multimedia Class Scheduler Service DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Multimedia Class Scheduler Service references. To support our technical team and receive updates on Multimedia Class Scheduler Service resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.